Welcome back to Main Street Living, MSL if you're all about the abbreviations. Question for you ladies. The big game that just passed, did you buy snacks or did you get into the kitchen and cook some snacks? I can tell you what I did was I didn't watch the game. I'm sorry.
Oh, come on.
I was waiting for this show to air.
You're so funny. No, I love to make some vegan nachos. Get some guacamole, some beans. Oh, they're so good. So that's what I enjoyed. And we all know that it's easier to control what we put in our bodies if we make our own food at home, right? And sometimes even foods that might not seem like health foods can actually be better for yourself if you make them yourself.
Absolutely. Cooking from home, always the better option, even if we're talking about waffles. So Nina Monique is here to show us how to make a healthy home-cooked meal and make it simple. And also, it's really just a perfect reason to have waffles any time of the day. So let's take a look.
Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Remix. It's your girl, Nina Monique. And today we are cooking through my family's cookbook and one of my favorite recipes, Buttermilk Waffles. Now this is a staple in my family. We make it every Christmas with chicken. Come on, let me tell you how to make it. Now this is such a great recipe. If you have a waffle iron, you will be making these every single weekend. Brunch? What? This is where it's at. Let me show you how easy it is. We're gonna start off with 2 cups of flour. I've got baking soda. We'll add that to the dry. I've got 4 tablespoons of sugar. So go ahead and add that to your ingredients. I also have some melted butter and a couple of eggs. Let me show you what we do with the eggs. Let's crack the eggs first. So according to this recipe, which was passed down from my great grandma, Nana's, what I used to call her, always have your whites and your yellows separate, and we're gonna beat the whites. And I use a little water bottle to get these guys out. So let me show you how you're gonna do it. You're just gonna add a little pressure, suck this guy out, put him to the side. Oop, we're definitely gonna use this, but let's try it again, watch. Now, take a fork and just start whisking away, whisk it away. Go ahead and keep whisking your whites. That's all good. Who needs Gold's Gym, baby? It's right here. A little bit of foamy like this. This is what's gonna give it, the waffles, a little bit of fluffiness. This is where it's at. All right? All right, so go ahead and add that into our dry, along with the rest of the eggs, some melted butter, and the buttermilk. All right, let's go ahead and give her a mix. Go ahead and mix it up real good. You are gonna love this. Don't forget your vanilla. And a pinch of salt. Salt Bay, Salt Bay. Bow. All right. All right, once it's mixed well, we'll get our waffle iron warmed up. I'm gonna turn mine all the way somewhere in the middle. Let it get warm. So our batter is done. Now we gotta get our waffle iron preheated. Make sure you spray it with a little cooking spray. Spray liberally. Now don't overcrowd this waffle iron. Just a little bit. You don't want to overdo it. So start in the middle. And there we go. Kind of spread it out. Maybe just a dab more. And it looks like it's not going to be enough, but trust me, it will expand once you close. And this little light is going to tell us when it's ready. In the meantime, you know what time it is. All right, I believe our first is ready. Let's take a look. Ooh, yes, perfect. Next time we'll add a little bit more, but just go ahead and take a fork and put it on over to a plate. Let's do it again. All right, guys, so easy. Like I said, cooking should not be a chore. We just finished 4 homemade buttermilk waffles. And you can top this thing with anything. You can do fruit, you can do chocolate, banana, peanut butter. But I'm gonna keep it really simple and just add a little bit of butter and syrup topping. You wanna go in and watch this. Ah, yes. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and try these. Like I said, here we go.
Ooh, my favorite part is at the end when she takes the syrup and just goes all over the waffles. Yum.
I know. I was thinking of my 7 cave syrup. I can't wait. It's a perfect opportunity.
Absolutely. And you can find out more recipes or follow Nina at reciperemix.com.
That's right. And coming up next, a very special moment with Mike Neighbors and Sally Field.